You see the Dylan O'Brien's on Royal Court. Oh my!
A Glittery Sun, a Cigarette Moon, and a Dolly Parton Rising.
Olipops Central.
It was 2 for $6. Really?
Oh, they look great.
Just absolutely bust my ass on this ice. Because how upsetting would that be?
So we finally got our new chair or the cushion. The cushion that I got was definitely too big. I had thrifted the old chair from Facebook Marketplace, and it was more of an egg chair, not the correct chair at all. So I just had to buy a new chair. I purchased a lot of wall art. Hopefully, that will be here within the next week or two. Yesterday was, hello. Yesterday was our holiday party at work. Don't bite that. Don't bite that. Don't do it. Stop biting my camera, you freak. Why can't you be more like your brother? Anyways, I'm just worn out. I slept in way too late today. I was gonna make breakfast for lunch. Bacon had mold on it. I'm gonna wait for Spencer to get up. I'm gonna put this chair together. We might go get breakfast or lunch or whatever he wants to eat today, because we don't get HelloFresh until tomorrow, and I probably won't go to the grocery until Tuesday. So that's where we're at. Can I see this? Thank you. Okay. Have it. Really? Girl. You hold these. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm trying to open this. Stink. This is how it came in the box. It literally looks like it's already been used. And, like, these two things were just like in the bottom of the box. I'm trying to remember if I bought it like used instead of new, because that's not unlike me to buy a used one to make it $15 cheaper, but I feel like I didn't. But I'll just put it together. It's probably fine.
Do you remember talking over my water lesson?
4 in the morning, it fell right into his sock drawer. Remington.
Dude.
Yeah.
Sometimes you like to do things squirrel way.
Yeah, the girls at work said they don't like it when we put them in jail.
Well, they don't have to deal with everything. Once you deal with it, really you understand.
Look at her, she likes jail. Buckley hates being in jail. He used to go to jail all the time, didn't he? And now, he never goes to jail.
Now he never goes to jail.
Buckley, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I did not mean to. Damn. These suckers need some lube or something. Excuse you. So,
Wow, that's easy.
so you just set it down in the bowl.
Just set it in there. You don't even like
That's
move
safe.
the bowl around.
Very comfy. I like this.
And do you feel like a part of a fruit salad?
What? Yeah, a little bit, honestly.
So much stuff, crazy.
Get in your box, baby.
Big
Buckwheat's new
key
chair.
like that.
Like it was made for you, Buckwheat.
I think you like it.
Yeah, I think so. What do you think?
It's very cool. It's weird, you know.
Yeah.
It's different.
Come get a couch. Good
Yeah.
boy.
That's a
He said, this is my spot.
This is my spot.
It's crunchy.
It's just the twine and stuff.
Okay, I'm really starting to think that I should take back what I said last week, because it's so cold now, and I wore these like puffer pants that are just like trapping all of the cold air in my pants. And my face hurts. But, you know, in the name of the ecosystem, I guess, cold weather is good weather. I've been trying to not eat out so much during lunch, and I did really good last week, and I packed my lunch, but I forgot it at home this week. I'm to Pasta Garage. It's freezing, and by the time I walk back, I'll have to leave after like 10 minutes, so my lunch might be a little short today.
So dollface is a glittery sun, a cigarette moon, and a Dolly Parton rising.
Absolutely.
Will deliver dog food, or they might deliver just general produce, steel, anything. Anything that a truck moves, they deliver it down there. She goes, I said, it'll never be closed. It can't be closed.
Good girl. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
There's so much ketchup over there with me. Look.
Almost done, baby. You're doing so good. Is that better? Yeah. You're like, yeah. Essentially what it is.
How you put my arm? By the way, I just say I was ready. Yeah, like this. This goes hard.
Mm-hmm.
This does go hard.
Comfy.
Snack done.
Snack time. Snack, snack, snack. Remember when we used to do cheese boards?
I do.
We should do those again. Look at these pictures Lily is sending. She and her boyfriend went to look at this cheese board.
Cute. She did look good.
Oh, somewhere down in Newland.
Except for the
Camera.
olives.
Olives are so good.
Except for that one.
Need that so bad. It's got like pickles, it's got mustard. So we were doing so many cheese boards there for a while. Just like to take to your mom's house.
Yeah. It was easy. You like cheese?
We do like cheese.
Where's the criminal?
Oh, she's right there. She's
Oh.
being good.
That's a good girl, Remy. You stay right down there. She lays in the weirdest spots.
Yeah.
Going to mash up the food hall for my lunch. They have these really big like beanbag chairs that I'm gonna try to read in. It's cold and nobody wants to be out, but it's nice. Nice in the sun right now. Thank God.
Hey, I can't wax the butthole.
Okay.
You are a bit early. She's still working.
Did you get a good spot?
I don't know.
It's good stuff. Oh my God, come be my neighbor. There's so many houses for sale. Well, we wouldn't be buying a house. We got got apartments right next to us. We can rent. Like, well, bro, I would be a full-on sitcom friend. I would just show up at your fucking door.
Well, that's what, like, all my friends are moving to the Highlands right now within, like, a 10-minute walking distance. I have to wait, because otherwise I'll don't want me to come over. Tell me to go away. I live right down the street.
Yeah, I can go home.
I can go home. It's like I drove all the way over here.
I didn't waste no gas money on it.
But I was asking him why not
I
Washington.
yanked that sucker
I
off.
know. I wonder if I lifted. I've never lifted before. Can you see like the skin on that whenever they lift?
Not on this. You can just see it on their skin.
It didn't
because
feel like
it's
it was
shiny.
Just
Yeah. It was really thin too.
yeah, it's like get this. You would go to Mount Washington, it'd be. Well, that's the thing with like people are like Louisville's so expensive. So is everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere it is.
And then if I'm in Louisville, I don't have self out.
It tingles a little bit. Like,
I thought you were gonna say put me down.
Someone sedate me.
These look awesome.
I bet.
These look sick. I'm not done till look. Actually do look, because if you want me to scrub them with a exfoliating cleanser, if you want them lighter.
Oh, they look great.
You want them a little bit lighter.
Because if there's still a little bit in there, they'll get darker throughout the day. But that looks freaking awesome.
Thank you.
Olipop Central.
It was 2 for $6. Or 3 for $6. It was 3 for $6. This is a lot of Olipops. I actually don't even want to know how much I spent.
I'm just Olipops.
Yeah.
oh, hi, baby. Oh, this beautiful baby women girl. I love this baby girl.
Is she in jail?
She's in the laundry room.
Why?
She went in there. She wants to be in the laundry room. She can be in the laundry room.
Did you lock her in there? That's not nice.
She wanted in there.
She don't want to be in there. Listen to her.
She wanted to be in there. I'll let her out next time I go to the laundry room.
No, that's not nice. She don't know.
It's been 3 times. She probably knows by now.
She's just a baby.
A baby that will learn.
It didn't make you sad.
No, because I know she's not really in any danger.
Is Buckwheat hungry?
Just fed him.
Oh.
But I'm like almost 2 scoops, so he should be fine.
Is it?
You get so much worse because you're not wicked. Yeah, what the hell? Come down from there. Come down from there. It's shielded itself. Unfair. And we definitely let him outside.
No, there's
There's a question. We're letting him outside.
That's not nice. You didn't even open the door. Hi, baby. You're being so good. Is it good?
Took all the other chickens. Mm-hmm. Probably should just smother this thing in me. Ooh, wait, hold on.
Mayonnaise?
Not mayonnaise. Mustard.
Oh. He says, oh, I wasn't planning on it.
He is comfy.
I love these babies. Every time I try to pet her, she tries to bite me.
Coffee run. It is so like disarmingly cold and my ears hurt. This might have been a bad choice of a hairstyle today, but I got quills for the girlies and hopefully I don't slip and just absolutely bust my ass on this ice, because how upsetting would that be? People are really saying it's gonna be bad, all of the ice and stuff, I guess. And apparently like my town's gonna be worse than like the rest of Louisville. We might be like in our house on Monday. I still have to get breakfast, probably go back out, unfortunately.
I gotta rewind. I looked away.
Sorry. Her show is on.
Oh, Buckwheat, you want to scoop? Good boy.
have the secret ingredient. Buckwheat beans. Did you see that Dylan O'Brien's on Royal Court? Oh my
Shit, I did.
It's raining chicken buckwheat.
Shit, I did.
You almost dropped that
Turn
on
off the
his
camera.
head. Dirty ass feet have been
You've
sitting there.
licked my feet.
I have never. I don't know if I'm gonna like this fuck ass chicken. Oh my gosh, I love these pitas. Pita reveal. Okay.
Try that sour cream.
Goes on too. Fuck. I cut it wrong. Why'd I cut it like this? Okay. Dinner reveal. I think the presentation gets a solid 1 star. The help gets 5 stars. Your hair looks cute. Tonight's olipop is the root beer flavor. A goated flavor. This would be his 3rd scoop. He's been gluttonous. Your hairstyle is giving 2014 Dylan O'Brien.
Bringing back the good old days.
If you look at it from the side.
That's
Yeah.
what I'm saying.
He used to just like go like this.
Interesting.
I know what he was doing. Oh, my Tumblr page.
Yeah.
Good times. He would be so scared of me.
The garage is open.
Oh shit. My bad.
Remy was for the past 30 minutes.
She was outside?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Not outside.
No, but what if I left the garage door open?
Then she would have been outside.
Because then her stupid ass would have been lost and I would have been freaking out because the weather's about to get bad. Oh, Remy. Like this baby.
Ooh.
What the hell's in your hair?
Ooh.
Did you give her catnip?
No. It's probably garage stuff.
Yeah, it's like in her mouth. It's in her mouth. Good girl. That's a very good girl. Okay, don't bite your brother. I'm just taking the plastic off of them right now, and I might put the prints in them, but I mean, I'm not gonna hang them right this second, so it's okay. Why aren't you playing with your new toy? I just got you a new toy. Ah, don't chew on that. Oh my gosh, she just tried to chew on this. Gonna cut your tongue off, child. Remy, what? Oh my gosh. Well, she's being logical. Really? My posters that came in were like annoyingly specific sizes, and the frames for those sizes are very expensive, and I'm a cheap bitch. So I went to Michael's yesterday and I got some frames that were like kind of close, like close enough, but now I'm having to like chop up my posters to get them to fit, so I'm literally cutting them. But the frame was like $13 versus buying one that was specifically for the frame or for the poster, which would have been like $40. So doesn't seem like too big of a deal to me. That will really only be a problem if I ever do try to change the frames and actually buy frames that fit them, because then you'll be able to see where I botched them. But I can't imagine myself taking these out of the frames. Maybe I will, but not today, and that's all that matters. That's not bad. It's not good. It's not bad.
So to get them under the door, the thing isn't to hit it further into the door to grab it.
She don't know.
Gotcha before you.
Damn it. Oh, did it right. He likes cooking with the big light, even though it's a sin. Oh, fucking hell. Is that the last of his food?
No. Shut it. Check on that.
I did. Fuck, my bad, Mom.
It is. He's gonna be eating like a king for the next couple days.
Has he had a scoop today?
He's had like a scoop and a half today.
Okay, so no more.
But he's sitting here because I've been
Eating carrots.
eating carrots.
The olipop for today is grape, and it's going in a wine glass.
Shepherd's pea.
Stunning. Stunning. Remy got a new enrichment board today. Oh. Remy got a new enrichment.
You want a corner or you want mint?
I'll take a corner. It doesn't make, just grab whatever. I'll take whatever. Thank you. Gorgeous,
Kid
gorgeous.
size bowl.
Ooh, she's steaming. You want to switch cards or do you want to?
Your